Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the msvcp140.dll missing on Windows 11. First, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Search for Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2026 Redistributable. Make sure you download it only from Microsoft to avoid unsafe files. On the download page you will see two versions. One is called x64 and the other is x86. Even if you are using a 64-bit computer, it is recommended to download and install both versions. Many applications require both of them. Download the two files and run the installers one by one. If the program is already installed, you may see an option to repair. Choose Repair and let the process complete and restart your PC. If the problem still appears, the issue may come from the specific application that is using the file. In that case, uninstall it from your system. Then download the latest version of that program from its official website and install it again. Reinstalling the application will restore any missing or damaged files. Thanks for watching.